Do you feel like your energy levels aren't what they used to be? Or maybe you've noticed a change in circulation or even performance down there. If you're over 60, these might seem like normal signs of aging. But what if I told you that your breakfast could be the real culprit? In today's video, I'm going to share 5 simple, easy-to-eat foods that you should include in your morning routine to help boost circulation where it matters most, especially after 60. Stay tuned. As we age, many of us experience changes in our body's ability to circulate blood efficiently, especially to areas like the groin and pelvic region. But here's the surprising part. Your breakfast may be playing a bigger role than you think in maintaining healthy circulation. What you eat in the morning can either support or restrict blood flow, and most people don't realize how their morning choices are affecting their circulation. Today, I'm going to show you 5 foods that you can eat in the morning to help reverse some of these effects and boost your circulation naturally. Now, many seniors are already making healthier choices, like cutting out processed foods, eating more fruits and vegetables, staying hydrated, and exercising. But while these are all essential for maintaining health, many still overlook the impact of their morning routine on circulation. We've all heard about the importance of exercise and hydration, but what if your morning meal could be the missing link in improving your circulation and overall vitality? Let's talk about that today. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 simple, everyday foods that you should eat first thing in the morning to boost circulation, especially in the pelvic area. You'll also learn why these foods are so powerful, how they work in your body, and the quick benefits you can expect. By the end, you'll be able to incorporate these foods into your breakfast and start feeling a difference in your energy, circulation, and overall well-being. So let's dive in. Before we get started, if you're excited to improve your circulation and regain your energy, be sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another tip that's designed specifically for seniors. If you're ready to take action, type 1 in the comments below. And if you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to drop a comment. I love hearing from you, and your feedback helps me create better content tailored to your needs. Let's jump straight to the good stuff. The first food I recommend to improve circulation and boost vitality after 60 is watermelon. This delicious fruit isn't just for hot summer days. It's packed with powerful nutrients that are crucial for maintaining healthy blood flow, especially to areas that need it most. As we get older, circulation can naturally slow down. This happens because blood vessels lose some of their flexibility, making it harder for your body to pump oxygen-rich blood to areas like the groin and pelvic region. This is when many seniors start noticing symptoms like low energy, weak erections, and even numbness or tingling in the lower body. These are all signs that your circulation is not functioning at its best. But don't worry. By incorporating the right foods into your diet, you can give your body the help it needs to restore blood flow naturally. How do you know if your circulation is suffering? Look out for these common symptoms. Low energy, feeling tired or sluggish even after a full night's rest. Weak erections or reduced performance in intimacy. Numbness or tingling in the legs, feet, or groin. Cramps in your legs or a feeling of heaviness. Cold extremities such as cold hands or feet, even in warm conditions. If you've noticed any of these symptoms, it's time to start paying closer attention to what you're eating, especially first thing in the morning. Remember, these symptoms aren't just a normal part of aging. If you're noticing any of them, your body is signaling that it needs help. The good news is that by incorporating certain foods into your morning routine, you can naturally boost your circulation and start feeling better in no time. Let's take a look at the first of the 5 foods I recommend to boost circulation, especially after 60. Watermelon is packed with an amino acid called L-citrulline, which your body converts into L-arginine. L-arginine is a precursor to nitric oxide, a compound that helps dilate blood vessels and improve circulation. This is the same biological process used by popular ED medications, but instead of using pills, you're using a natural food. For best results, eat watermelon on an empty stomach or just before your main breakfast. Don't throw away the rind, as it contains the highest concentration of L-citrulline. You can chew on it or blend it into a smoothie for an extra circulation boost. Next up, whole eggs. These are packed with vitamin D, B12, choline, and leucine, key nutrients that promote muscle repair, including the deep muscles in the pelvic floor. These muscles help control erections, urinary flow, and balance. Whole eggs are nature's powerful tool for supporting blood flow, especially for men over 60. Oats are loaded with beta-glucan, a fiber that helps clean out the walls of your blood vessels. This allows more oxygen-rich blood to flow to critical areas, including your pelvic region. When you add chia seeds, you get a healthy dose of omega-3 fatty acids, magnesium, and potassium, which further support blood flow and relaxation of the blood vessels. Sweet potatoes are a great source of complex carbs that don't spike your blood sugar. When combined with Celtic sea salt, which is rich in over 80 minerals, this food supports muscle function, healthy blood pressure, and hydration. It's perfect for stabilizing blood circulation first thing in the morning. Beets are rich in nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide, just like watermelon. This helps relax and dilate blood vessels, improving circulation. Beets are also full of fiber, antioxidants, and vitamins that contribute to overall heart health. Eating these foods regularly in the morning can provide several key benefits. Improve blood flow to the pelvic region, boosting performance and vitality. Reduced inflammation and better circulation throughout the body. More energy throughout the day by ensuring oxygen-rich blood is flowing to all areas of the body. Better heart health, which is crucial for overall circulation. Enhanced muscle function, especially in the pelvic floor muscles. For seniors, these benefits are invaluable. By supporting circulation with these foods, you're helping maintain your energy, your vitality, and your overall well-being. Whether it's reducing cramps, improving intimacy, or just feeling better throughout the day, these simple morning foods can make a big difference. So there you have it. The 5 foods that should be part of your morning routine if you're looking to boost circulation after 60. Watermelon, whole eggs, oats with chia seeds, sweet potatoes, and beets are all natural, easy to incorporate foods that can have a huge impact on your blood flow, energy levels, and overall health. The best part is, they're simple to add to your diet, and you'll start seeing benefits quickly. Key takeaway: if you want to improve circulation down there and boost vitality, eating the right foods in the morning is one of the easiest and most effective ways to do it. Watermelon, eggs, oats, sweet potatoes, and beets are the perfect combination to support healthy blood flow and improve overall health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on tips and advice for living your healthiest life after 60. And if you've tried any of these foods or have other circulation boosting tips, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Remember, small changes can lead to big results. Make these foods a part of your morning routine, and you'll start feeling better in no time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tips tailored to seniors. You've got the power to improve your health and vitality. Start making these simple changes today and take control of your health for years to come. You deserve it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and enjoy your new, healthier breakfast routine.